Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to solve problems involving the polygon exterior angle sum theorem. Okay, so the first thing about the polygon exterior angle sum theorem, as we see up there on the left, is that the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a convex polygon, each one at vertex is 360, right? So the measurement of angle 1, 2, 3, and 4, which are all exterior, is always going to be 360 degrees, right? So what are the measures of the exterior angles of the polygon shown below? So as you can see here, you first could do two things. You can actually find the sum of the ones inside, right, with the polygon interior angle sum theorem, and then verify with the polygon exterior angle sum theorem to see if that is okay. So let's do that. So we know that this polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, right? So that means that according to the polygon interior angle sum theorem, we know that the sum of the angles inside, or the interior angles, is going to be 180 multiplied by the number of sides minus 2. So in this case, we have 5 sides, so it's going to be 5 minus 2, which is going to be 180 times 3, which is a total of 540 degrees. So that means that the sum of the interior angles that they gave us is going to be for a total of 540 degrees. So we have 3x plus 10 plus 4x minus 10 plus 2x plus 5 plus x plus 15 plus 3x, right? And that is going to give us a total of plus 20, and then 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 is going to give us a total of 13x. So 13x plus 20, the sum of the interior angles, right, is going to give us a total of 540 degrees. So the value of x, we have 13x is equal to 520 degrees, right? So 520 divided by 13 is going to give us a total of 40. So x is equal to 40 degrees, right? And then we can get the value of each one inside the angle. So we know that 3 times 40 plus 10, 4 times 40 minus 10, we have 2x, or 2 times 40 plus 5, we have 40 plus 15, and we have 3 times 40, right? So 3 times 40 plus 10 is going to be 130 degrees. 4 times 40 minus 10 is going to be 150 degrees. 2 times 40 plus 5 is going to be 85 degrees. 40 plus 15 is going to be 55 degrees. And 3 times 40 is going to be 120 degrees. And that is where we find the interior angles. Now we can find the exterior ones. How? Well, we know that angle 1 is supplementary to x plus 15. So angle 1 is going to be 180 minus 55 degrees. And that is going to give us a total of 125. Angle 2 is going to be 180 minus 4x minus 10. So it's going to be 30 degrees. Angle 3, or the measurement of angle 3, is going to be 180 minus 3x plus 10. So it's going to be 50 degrees. Then angle 4 is going to be 180 minus 2x plus 5. And then 2x plus 5 is going to be 85 degrees. So that's going to be a total of 95 degrees. And then last but not least, we have 180 minus 3 times x. So that's minus 120, which gives us a total of 60 degrees. Now, in order to verify this, we can use the polygon exterior angle sum theorem, right? Where we add them all the exterior ones, and they have to give us a total of 360. So 125 plus 30 plus 50 plus 95 plus 60 is indeed going to give us a total of 360 degrees, which means that it has logic and we did it properly. So guys, in this case, we use both the polygon exterior angle sum theorem in order to verify at the end, and the polygon interior angle sum theorem. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!